still very dark, even though I was recording. I need to see the fire a little bit. Still dark. Nice campfire. Campfire with the range. Hey, Bobby. First night of 48 hour. 48 hour camp in the bush. Nice one. Just had a nice gammon roll with some cheese. Quite subtle. Did the job. How my babs?
Yep.
Getting close to bedtime. Made a bloody morose fire there. Coming under control now. Don't like big fires. Alrighty. Have more fun tomorrow morning. Taxi. Adios amigos. Ciao for now.